All right, gang, here's a quick tour of the newest Airbnb unit in the fourplex. So first off, welcome to the 6608 building. It's been a great project. A lot of work has gone into this thing. Got some nice shade trees out front. Coming in the front gate here, this is all steel, gated off, so you got a nice private courtyard coming in. Sorry about the few last construction supplies around here. This is the courtyard. So nice and shady. We've got solar lights, solar security cameras, nice shade structure right here with some lighting at night, and a big bottle brush tree here in the courtyard. We have a fire pit going where these sawhorses are. Should be up here in the next day or two. And then this is the outside of the building. So again, nice done up courtyard, good shade in the desert summer. Probably put some hammocks out here. So let's go check out the inside. So it's apartment 2. We've got a motion sensor light out here, so whenever it gets dark outside, that's going to kick on. And this is the unit itself. So here is the living room, and we're going to just take a quick little tour. So this is a mural for the wall. Like I said, last couple things, these vacuums will be out of here. This is the kitchen. So we did copper accents everywhere. I built these cabinets. We're doing like the open shelf design. We have an induction cooktop right here. These things are super sweet. Turn that back on. So it's very easy. It doesn't get hot. So that's the cool part about induction, is it won't burn you. It's all in the pan. Super neat. So stove hood up here. I've got a really cool old Thermidor oven. Thing still works like a champ. It's built in the 50s. So American made, union labor in California. Life is good. We've got an air fryer. We have a toaster oven. We have a cool little mini dishwasher right here. All set up, ready to go. The trash can will go here. I'm just waiting on that to ship in. This is an option. This is a Swiss Jura espresso maker. Super awesome. And a cool little retro fridge. So again, copper shelving. This is the kitchen faucet right here. We've got this really cool bent copper pipe, and then a rack for your dishes right there. We're still waiting on one more to ship in. So let's go check out the bedrooms and the bathrooms. This is a living. We've got a nice comfy sectional couch, coffee table, lamp, cool cow skull. Don't worry, it's fake. Some wall art. So let's go see what else we got. Here is the master bath. We will check this out here real quick. And then there's the sink, cabinet under here. This logo I borrowed from my favorite local brewery. Got plenty of cabinet space underneath for you. Sorry it's a little loud in here. We've got an exhaust fan. All the copper piping is exposed. So this is all bent, formed, and pressed. Got a brand new toilet, some wall decorations. This is the shower right here. So you can hop in, got your hot and your cold feed, turn that sucker on. So we're ready to go. Always nice to have a good hot shower. So back out in the hallway, we have the second half bath here in case you've got people over, or it's just nice to have a second half bathroom. Same thing. Awesome bath mat, reminds you how beautiful you are. Mirror, same exposed copper piping. Nice, sweet little guest bath. So back down the hallway, linen closet. Got a few more things shipping in. Laundry hamper down there for you. We have inside the unit, washer and dryer right here. Gas powered, we take care of all of that. This is the master bedroom right here. Bed is all ready to go. It's a memory foam mattress, light, fan, cool tapestry, curtains that black out light really, really well in case you have a late night and you need to sleep in. Good to go there. And then some cool lamps hanging over there. This is the second bedroom. It's set up with a queen bed, fun rug on the floor, queen bed, closet, hey y'all artwork, and the same blackout curtains. This is the back porch. You can see through the window, fire pit. We got to replace that regulator. We've got gabion walls. I know it's a little tough to see. There we go. With a nice back porch. All the rooms have individual heaters and airs. That's that right there. This is a motion sensor light, so at night, whenever you come out, if you need to use the bathroom, it'll light up. And that's a unit. So again, I hope you like it. TV is here, view out the door, view out the courtyard. Overall, an awesome little spot. So check it out. Drop something in the comments if you see something you like or don't. People tend to comment both ways. This is the back porch. The walls are called gabions, so they're just a big steel box full of rocks. We got plenty of room back here. Like I said, that's the fire pit. It's getting repaired for the front courtyard. Electric grill, bottle jack from another project that'll be out of here by the time you show up, and then a back porch light. So anyway, I hope you like the place. Again, drop me a comment or an email if you need more information. Thanks.